Hey guys, so if you like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe like always. This is going to be a quick video on how to check to see if your starter is good. This is a 2006 325i XI E91 with the N52 motor in it. So all you need to do is open up your DME box here where your main critter is. Then I guess it's purple. Pull the purple plug out, and this big white wire, there's two white ones, but the big white one, I think it's number 8. All you need to do is grab a piece of wire, strip both ends, and stick it in number 8, the big white one, and on the other end connect it to your battery terminal or the post here, and the car should start if your starter is good, or it should turn over at least if your starter motor is good. And there's a way you can test your CAS module too. Maybe I'll make another video on that. All right, thanks guys.